Hello everyone and welcome to another amazing learning experience with Saoirse, who is amazing. Today we're going to be talking about solving equations involving absolute value. That's lesson 2.5 starting on page 103. Hopefully I'll be able to help you do what you need to do in math, so let's get started. Okay, so expressions with absolute values define an upper and lower range in which a value must have. Expressions involving absolute value can be evaluated using the given value for the variable. If you have m plus 6 minus 14 and m is supposed to equal 4, what's going to happen is you're going to have 4 plus 6 in absolute value minus 14. And we remember an absolute value basically turns it into a positive number. So if this goes down to 10, so the absolute value of 10 is 10. So 10 minus 14 is negative 4. That's your answer. Isn't that awesome? Really simple. So go ahead and try to do this one on your own. And when you're ready to check, unpause the video. Okay, so we're just going to plug in that 2 into the x. So now it becomes 23 minus the absolute value of 3 minus 4 times 2. And then this becomes 23 minus 3 minus 8, the absolute value of that. 23 minus the absolute value of negative 5. 23 minus 5, because the absolute value of negative 5 is 5. And then the answer is 18. Because 23 minus 5 is 18. Okay, so when you are solving equations that involve absolute values, there are two things to consider. The expression inside the absolute value symbol is positive or 0, and the expression inside the absolute value symbol is negative. Okay, so those are two things that can happen. So for any real numbers, a and b, if the absolute value of a equals b and b is greater than 0, then a equals b or a equals negative b. So I'm just basically reading out of the book in 104. So, yeah. Okay, so if you had f plus 5, like the absolute value of f plus 5 equals 17, there's two ways that you can solve it. So if we were doing it the first way, so that would be the expression inside the absolute value symbol is positive or 0, you would have, so let me just put 1 over here. 1. Okay, so then it would be f plus 5 equals 17 minus 5 minus 5. F equals 12. But then the other way would be the expression inside the absolute value symbol is negative. So that means it would be f plus 5 equals negative 16. See, that's what's the difference. So then minus 5 minus 5. F equals negative 22 because the negative 17 plus negative 5 is negative 22. Okay, so now it says write an equation involving absolute value from the graph. So if you can see that the 11 has a dot and the 19 has a dot. So find the point that is the same distance from 11 from 19. This is the midpoint, which if you count it out, let's look. We have 118, 112, 117. So right there, 15 is our, because the distance is 4 units each. So the equation would be x minus 15, the absolute value, equals 4. That's the okay, so if you had it like this with 17 and 27, you go down the line, 18, 26, 19, 25, 20, 24, 21, 23. And then now you have 22 middle. So then you take whatever variable you want to use, c. Okay, I'm going to use c because the book uses c. And you would do the absolute value of c minus 22 equals, well, how many we did. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then plus the 27, that'd be 5. So 5. Thank you so much for tuning in. Hopefully I was able to help you do what you need to do in math. This has been another amazing learning experience with Searcher Who is Amazing, telling you that you are amazing as well. Hope you have a fantastic day.